Will Bitcoin price drop again? Well, the answer is yes and no. And I'll tell you why coming right up. Welcome to Crypto Profits. If you're new around here, type new in the comments below. I would love to meet you. I'm Simon Johnson and I help people earn a passive income with cryptocurrency. Now, in this show, we're going to talk about the price of Bitcoin, specifically the price of Bitcoin dropping. Now, do you ever notice that people don't complain when the price of Bitcoin goes up? When the price of Bitcoin goes up $1,000 or $1,500, everyone celebrates. It's a great day to be alive. But when the price of Bitcoin goes down, people start to get scared. The market tends to panic. Now, I can assure you, based on my own years of experience in this industry, this is how Bitcoin works. It's entirely normal. This is the market. This is what it does. But don't just take my word for it. Now, investment funds and banks have made major Bitcoin plays in this space. They've just invested. I've done a video on it, so you might want to check it out here. Now, I'll leave a link just up there. You'll see it. It's this institutional money that is going to help progress the market and push it forward, probably into the next bull run. So this is partly why I'm so optimistic and positive about Bitcoin. Now, back to this price drop. This video is just packed full of content. This is going to go very quick, but I want to let you in on something. I've actually got a little secret that I've been working on, and I'm going to tell you what it is at the end of the video. So make sure you watch right through. So let's just dive into the charts straight away. Now, I want to take you through two things, and it's going to go really quick. The first one is this chart here. Now, I want you to look back at the market cap in 2018. Now, look where it is up here. You can see, I'm just going to see if I can do a little pop-up. There we go. If you look at the market cap, and then this was the Bitcoin bubble. For those that don't know, this is when the media said, oh, Bitcoin's a fad and it's going to go away and everyone's going to get burned. Well, look where the market is today. Okay, these pullbacks are entirely normal. We've recovered. So there's absolutely no need to freak out. This is traders taking profits. This is what happens. That's the macro picture, right? I want to take you through to another Bitcoin chart. So this is the past 7 days. Now, if you have a look, we were at 19, probably 19 and a half, I think it was from memory. Yep, 9 and a half for Bitcoin. There's the price. And obviously, it dipped a bit. It dipped to 18. Then it went back to 17. And it bounced. Now, people were going to be freaking out, going from 19 to 17, and bounced back up to 18, 345. Now, that's nearly a $1,500 drop. It's about $1,479. Now, if that makes you nervous, that's fine. I understand if you're just starting out, but don't be. We've seen, as you saw in taking that macro view, Bitcoin has gone to 20. It's gone, down to what, 5 or 6. It's bounced back up. Now, I want to take you to something else. This is TradingView. I'm going to point out a couple of things. For me, this is positive. Remember how I mentioned to you earlier that we were going to let you in on a little secret sauce? This is it. You hung around, you earned it. Okay, here we go. Let's go to TradingView. I want to show you these moving averages. Now, for those who are not traders, and I don't consider myself a trader, and this is definitely not financial advice, this is the daily chart. For those who are trading, you might be familiar with it. And these are some moving averages. We've got a 50, 100, and a 200, and you can see they're color coded over here. So let's look at the 50-day moving average. Now, I'm going to call this out. I'm not going to be like some of the other people on YouTube and get all excited and say, oh, this is going to earn you $1 million and you're going to get rich and retire and buy a Lamborghini. No, this is something that I just want you to look at and think about it. It's quite important. Every time over the last few months, we'll say, look at how the price of Bitcoin, when it crosses this moving average, it's crossed it in September, October, and July. So take a look at this. Every time this happens, bang, Bitcoin shoots up. Crosses here, bang, shoots up again. This one took a little bit of time. It shot up, went back down, hit it again, and took off. I'm not worried about it. I'm also not worried about the 200-day because it's going in the right direction. Now, this stuff up here, up the top, people might be freaking out and going, oh my God, it's a pullback. Oh, could it go to 16 something, 16.4? Yes, it could. Is it likely to? Possibly. What will happen? Well, have a look at the last few times that happened. Bang. This could potentially, if it hits this, go $20,000+ in a short space of time. Very short space of time. So I hope you just understand that if this continues down here and it goes bang. Now, there may be some leveling off here. It may just sort of, have some sideways movement and then shoot up again. We don't know. But it may retest this too. This is the market. This is what it does. So don't be too scared that the Bitcoin price has dropped. See it as an opportunity. And that's how I see it. I see it as an opportunity to buy Bitcoin at really cheap prices. Having said that, I bought it in 2017 and in 2018 at its all-time high, and I held on to it. And I bought it in 2019, and I bought it in 2020, and I'll continue to buy it. Right now, it's cheap. But, don't take my word for it. Have a look at some of the comments that some investors and hedge fund managers and others have made. I'll link to them up here as well. Now, I do want to say one thing. If Bitcoin goes up again, if BTC goes up again, will you be able to buy at this level again? I don't know. We haven't seen this before with Bitcoin in terms of hitting that 20K, jumping back down and going up again. This could be it. Now, I'm not ready to call it and say, yes, it's 100%, and you shouldn't believe anyone who does. But I'm just telling you, if you're not buying now, I have, by the way, in full disclosure, I own Bitcoin. And I'll continue to buy it. I'm sold on it. But again, this isn't financial advice. Do your own research. Seek out a qualified financial advisor and don't invest anything unless you are prepared to lose it all. They're kind of my 3 go-to things. I probably sound like a broken record. Now, I've got a question for you. After all that I've said, and you got to go watch those 2 videos as well, I'd love to know if you're planning on buying Bitcoin now or if you're going to hold off. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. Now, one other thing, I've got a video that you guys might like, particularly the newcomers to the industry, people who probably haven't invested in Bitcoin before. If you're interested in earning free Bitcoin, as in totally free, not scammy, no credit card required, that sort of stuff, I'll provide a few links to a few of my videos. There's an app that you can download. There's video education where you get paid in different types of cryptocurrency for just watching a video and answering some questions. It's perfect for anyone who wants to understand Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and not have to pay any money for it. because maybe you don't want to risk any money. That's fine too. So I'll link to them up there. I think you'll get a lot out of it. In the meantime, keep your eye on that 50-day average. I've got no doubt I'll be making more videos on this soon. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if this has helped you anyway, why not drop a like, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, you know, all that stuff. I'll see you next time.